In this help video, let's have a look at our job item specs in our JobMan software. So from our user menu panel, on the left hand side here, scrolling down, let's click on jobs to open up our job page in our software. Now that our jobs are open, you can see here we've got all our current jobs in the software. Maybe a good idea to use a search bar at the top. You can type in the job number, search by job number. You can clear the cross on the right hand side. You can also use the job status filters. So down the left here, you may want to use the job status filters to pick up the job that you want to do the job items for. As you can see here, I've selected job setup as the status filter. Here's the job that I want to open up further, so double click to open. Now the job information has listed. Underneath the resources tab here, let's click on this. This is where we'll find the items for the job. Scrolling down, click on items. This is where we can keep track of all the main deliverable items for this job. Just a note here as well, that when you do click open the items, if the lead items were done initially, then this is something that would flow through to become the job items automatically. So in here is the items for the job. These could have flowed forward already from the lead, or you have the option to create more job items at the top. Let's look at updating the existing ones that have flown through from the lead. So click on it to open. Up the top here, you've got the room name you can update. You've got the view in PDF format. Clicking on update obviously allows you to edit the item further. You can see how these questions have been answered, but you can actually override these. You can make further changes to any of the hardware, material, or other items on the form. Make the options or make the changes and then select save down the bottom to save those changes. Clicking on the back arrow here, you can go back to your items that are listed under the job. If you want to create more, so for more area types or room types, click on create. Up the top you can put in your item name. My name's now been listed, and then you can select the type. So from the drop down option you can expand this out and select the area type or room type, and then go forward and fill out all the questions on the form. Now the questions have been answered. You can scroll down towards the bottom and you've got clicking on create to save, or you can click on cancel to disregard. So clicking on create, the item has been created for this particular area. I can click on update, or I can view in PDF, or I've got the three dots on top of each other where I can copy or delete. So if you have the same specs applicable for another room, fastest way to spec that out is to click on copy, and this becomes the bathroom copy in this example. Then you can click on update, and then you can update the name. So you can change the item name here, and you can also update the type. You can also make any other changes to any of the other questions on there, and then down the bottom click on save the changes. Clicking on the back arrow to go back to the job items. Back in the items, if you do want to delete multiple items out in one click, just tick the checkbox filters in front of the items names, and then with selected you can delete in one click. And that's how you add and also update your job items in your JobMan software.
Are you still requiring further assistance on this topic or any other topic in JobMan software? No problem at all. See here these help article links. Simply click on these at the top of the page and your questions will be answered on this topic or any other topic further in JobMan.